Hello, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today we have been back down to the Bramley Moore Dock site, the new home of Everton Football Club. The stadium is still in the process of being built, and I guess they're starting to apply the latter stages of the project. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you do like this video, you can share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to give that like button a little tap as well. It is the 29th of July, Monday the 29th of July, and we've got a full flight around the site today. We managed to get a full flight in. The weather was glorious, so we could get round and show you how it's looking. So last time we were here in the day, God, it was a while ago. It was a few weeks ago. We'll tag the video. I've done a nighttime video of the site. I'll link the video in the description. I'll leave a card in it as well. God, we haven't been down here for over 2 weeks. Didn't think it was that long. Anyway, last time we were down, they were finishing off. They'd finished the barrel cladding on the east side, and there was still some left on the west side. That is now complete, as I'm sure you do already know. They are now adding some things onto the roof, which you will see a bit later on in this video. We're just heading towards the west side, which would be the Mersey side of the stadium. There are people on the roof working away, so we're not going to get too close. This is why I do prepare to try and come on a Sunday, so we can get nice and close. But it just wasn't possible for me to come yesterday. I had some private work on, and just had to go and do that. What else has happened? Everton posted a video, I think it was last week, saying there are now over 50,000 seats installed in the ground. So there's not many left to do to be put in. 2,888 to be exact. And then all the seats will be fitted. You can see where there's a couple of sections missing here and there. As you can see, there's some of the people I was talking about who are currently doing bits and bobs on the roof. They are fitting what I believe has been confirmed by one of the workers that works on the site. They're fitting solar panels on the south stand at the moment, so we're going to take a look at them. And I've been coming here for 2 years and didn't know. A very close friend of mine actually works on the site daily. Madness. All these things I've got wrong in the past, and you live and learn, don't you? But look at it now. Look at it now. It's looking really, really good. It's really, really starting to look the part now, isn't it? So, just over to the Merseyside, and as you can see, which I'm sure you may have already seen this, that barrel cladding has been completed now, and it is now looking like like the pictures of the bell design that was intended. One of the docks there. Them stairs that were being installed. Now look at them, and the platform at the top. Like, it's almost August, and this is due to be finished in December. It's crazy, crazy. So there it is in all its glory. Let's move on. I'm guessing, and I am just guessing here, that all the cladding on the actual roof is now complete. Mm, it does look like it's all even and all got the same sort of materials on, where a couple of months ago it was obviously still being installed, and the roof was all looking different in different places, different textures and what have you. But it does all look at one now. So next season, start of the 25-26 season, is when Everton will move in to this stadium, but it is going to be completed much sooner than then. Obviously, they have test events and what have you to make sure everything is running and working as it should. Okay, we're going to move on to the other side now. I just got to think, I just thought it was a nice shot of that. I think it's some sort of ship. It might be one of them Stena lines. I think, when they put the, it may not be. Might be an old. I don't know what it is. It's a ship. It's just sailing past, so they've got a nice little view of the stadium there. And I just thought that I'd just get that shot in because I just thought it looked quite nice. Anywho, back to the actual reason we're here. So if you can notice the difference to the south stand to all the others, they are fitting solar panels, bit of renewable energy, helping the planet and what have you. So we're going to take a little closer look at them, and then we'll get round to the other side, the Mersey side of the south, like the southwest side of the site, and take a little look at what's going on there. Mhm. Now we were just taking a look at that helicopter just flying past there. And while we gone up then, there was just a helicopter flying over. So these are these solar panels I was talking about that are currently being fitted. By the look of it to the right, they're going to stretch across the whole length of the stand roof. So as I say, we're not getting too close just because there are people on the roof. Um, the actual place where the pitch is going to go, from what I can see, is now looking nice and flat. And they are going to be fitting the pitch pretty soon, I understand. So that is coming up, hopefully, in the not too distant future. but there is still work to be done. But as you can see, and I don't know if you've noticed, all the cranes have gone. There is still some machinery on there, like there's the cherry picks and scissor lifts and stuff. But the actual cranes, from what I've seen, I mean, I couldn't notice one today. They've all been taken away, which would suggest that the structure of the stadium is complete. Just gonna throw that out there and see if anyone shouts at me. So it is the 29th of July, and that is how the Everton FC Stadium, which I'm told it's called now. It's not called. It's not known as Bramley Moore Dock anymore, apparently. But that is, I was looking on the 29th of July. If you do have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below or to the side, whichever where you're watching this. And we'll be sure to get back and give you a reply. And we'll be back with another fly round very soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.